Well, today's tip goes out for kids aged between 8 to 10. When they are 8 to 10, they are fairly grown up. You can start introducing to them a little bit of chopping. You can get the smaller ones, the knives where they can, have their little veggies. I have my son who's 10 years old and I give him like, lady's finger and salad, cucumbers and stuff like that to cut it and tell them, of course, the security measures, the way how they need not cut. And of course, with your parental guidance, you can ask them to do that in a way where they'll get to know the basic things like putting butter on their bread, jam or something, which they can do it themselves even when you're not around. They can make their own snacks and eat it up. So that's the very first thing that you can start off with your kids at the age between 8 to 10. The second one is putting them into the habit of doing laundry. I'm sure all of us have washing machines today. So nothing, how to operate that machine. Having the clothes put when they've come back from school, just put it there. Maybe on a weekend, you can actually ask them, how to switch it on, how it works, and how they can actually work around it and have the machine running, because once it's done, it's going to be dried up. And the last thing that they can start doing it up at this age is making their own bed. When they are going to sleep, once they have woken up, having all those, their pullovers, pillows and everything. And once they wake up in the morning, making it up all tidy, folding it up and then keeping it back in the place where it's supposed to be. These are the tips that you can start and try with your kids aged between 8 to 10, and do let me know how practical do you think they are, and if it really helps. Trust me, parents, putting the kids at an early age to all these habits is not about making your life easy, but the thought process should be that you are making them independent right from an early age, and they will get to be more and more, they in any situation in life they will be prepared and they will know that everything has to be done on their own. Do let me know how these tips helped you and how they clicked with you. And then it's me, Neha, signing off and saying bye.